Imagine you just got a job offer in the US, or a family member needs to join you there. Where do you even start? Today we're breaking down how the entire US immigration system works, from entry to citizenship. So, at the highest level, what actually is this system?
It's the set of federal laws and agencies that regulate who may enter, stay, work, and become a citizen. Congress sets the policy, and 3 DHS agencies carry it out. CBP handles borders, ICE handles enforcement, and USCIS processes applications and naturalization. That's the process of becoming a citizen.
Walk me through how the process actually flows.
It generally starts with a visa application, tourist, student, or work. Once you're in the US legally, you may petition to adjust your status to lawful permanent resident, meaning you get a green card. After typically 5 years as a permanent resident, you can apply for naturalization, a USCIS interview, an English and civics test, then the oath of allegiance.
Which track applies depends on your situation, right?
Exactly. Immediate relatives of US citizens, spouses, parents, children under 21, generally aren't subject to annual caps. Asylum seekers may apply from abroad or within their first year in the US. And if you're in removal proceedings with at least 10 years of US residence, you may apply for cancellation of removal.
What are the biggest pitfalls people run into?
The biggest one is misunderstanding undocumented. It's a broad category. Visa overstayers, DACA recipients, asylum seekers, people with temporary protected status. Simply lacking status is a civil violation, not a criminal one. However, crimes committed to enter, like fraud, can lead to criminal charges. Also, immigration proceedings are civil matters, so there's no Sixth Amendment right to a government-appointed attorney.
What's the most common misconception people have about this system?
That all undocumented immigrants entered illegally. Not true. Many entered legally and overstayed a visa. Another, that the undocumented population keeps growing. It actually peaked in 2007 and has declined since. And dual citizenship? The Supreme Court has ruled it's legal in the US.
Here's your checklist. 1. Identify your goal: visa, green card, asylum, or citizenship. 2. Gather your DS-160 form, photo, fee, and supporting documents. 3. Apply through USCIS or a US consulate. 4. For naturalization, confirm 5 years of permanent residence. 5. If facing removal, check whether you qualify for cancellation. The big takeaway: the US immigration system has multiple tracks, and knowing which one fits your situation is the first step. This is general information, not legal advice. The full source is linked below, recorded July 2026. If this helped, subscribe for more plain language breakdowns.